Here at TotalWorx, we have such an incredible lineup of products, and really what we have with such a vast catalog is being able to offer a lot of different products that can really meet the installers where they're at and what their needs are. With our 5 categories that make up TotalWorx, installers can find something specifically within each category, whether it's prep products, adhesive, underlaminates, cushion, cleaner products, or even trims and tack strips. We have something for them in their project.
So one thing we're very proud of at TotalWorx is our product catalog. It's just not a catalog to showcase our products, but it also helps make decisions and point installers in the right direction of what products to use with the flooring products they're installing. So it's more of a user's guide than just a product catalog. And it's available on our website. Right now we're diligently looking through our PrepWorks program. We're going to be relaunching a brand new program in June that's really focused around moisture mitigation, floor prep. So we're very excited about some of the suppliers we're partnering with on that. We're really going to have some great flooring systems to make sure that we're covered from a moisture mitigation standpoint all the way to a finished product.
So I'm really excited about for TotalWorx Accessories for this year and the years to come are all the resources that we're currently working on. So you guys saw a little sneak peek of what we're working on, behind the scenes videos for a lot of our products, or really our entire product catalogs, both in English and in Spanish. So we're really excited to get that content out there and really help the industry grow with those resources I mentioned earlier. So we're excited about that. A bunch of new products on the horizon that we're working with our tech team on and our incredible team back here at Shaw. We're really excited about these new products as they roll out, that they're going to impact the industry and impact installers and really make a difference in everything that we're doing. One of the great things about TotalWorx is that it can have a huge impact, not just on specific products, but also on the installers and dealers that are associated with them. Everything from time savings to cost savings, shipment savings. When you order a flooring product from Shaw, you can also order a TotalWorx Accessories right there with it. So it saves you time on ordering. You can ship it together, so it saves you shipping costs as well. And not to mention the various warranties that are associated with using TotalWorx Accessories products built in with the Shaw products that you're using.
For support and warranties with TotalWorx products, we have several. One that's been very successful is our 6mm poly program. It's very rare, but if there is a problem with cupping, we replace that flooring, no questions asked. All of our adhesives have industry standard warranties, but most on the top, say 50% that we use, they have enhanced warranties for moisture mitigation and things like that.
We're an incredible flooring manufacturer, but at the end of the day, the floor doesn't matter if it's installed incorrectly. So being able to equip installers with tools, with products is really extremely important, and training too, and resources to be sure that they're doing their job to the best of their abilities, but also ensuring that the product that we produce is installed correctly.
The importance of training installers on TotalWorx Accessories is really having an understanding of those products and making sure they're successful. At the end of the day, everybody wants that customer to be happy with that job completed, right? So how we train installers on TotalWorx Accessories is we really got 2 different avenues. One would be going out to the field, going out to that dealer's location to train them on those products. We can really tailor it to their time and their needs to make sure that those installers are getting that training that they need, but they're also getting back on the job site to complete their work. Another avenue would be going out to the site location to train those installers on those prep products or TotalWorx Accessories, whatever it may be, to make sure they're successful for that specific installation. So if they're interested in learning more and gaining that knowledge and skills with the TotalWorx Accessories, they can contact their local rep or their TotalWorx ambassadors. The local sales rep or TotalWorx ambassadors can get with our technical team, and we can set up that training to go out to their job site or dealer's warehouse to complete that training for them.